In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix MoonPay app not downloading. So if MoonPay application is not being downloaded on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be your poor internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes your device might be facing some software glitches. In that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device so that your software glitches will be resolved. After you do that, you'll be able to download the app. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Play Store. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library of your device, find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on the option storage and cache. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now after you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. Now after you do that, try downloading the MoonPay application. If it is still not being downloaded, it might be because insufficient storage. Lack of storage space on your device can prevent app downloads. So what you have to do is simply free up some space. In that case, what you have to do is delete some other applications in order to download MoonPay app. But if this also does not resolve your problem, there might be some other problem in your device. In that case, what you have to do is simply update your software. For that, launch open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Find the option for system and tap on it. Now in the system interface, you'll be able to find various options. Find the option for software update and tap on it. Now in the software update interface, if you see any update available, what you have to do is simply go ahead and update it. After your software update has been completed, the problems of your device will be solved. After you do that, try downloading the MoonPay application again. After that, MoonPay app will be successfully downloaded on your device and you'll be able to use it. So that is how you fix MoonPay app not downloading. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.